Welcome to today's video. In today's video, I'm going to tell you the most dangerous things you should not lose in life. Please, if you are new on my channel, please do well to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. Share with you the most dangerous things to lose in life is not your money, nor your friends, nor even your cars, nor your house. The most dangerous things to lose in life is your faith. You have to have faith in God, believe in God, that God will provide. God says, I am the way, the light and the truth. No one coming to their Father but by me. And he says, in my Father's house there are many mansions. So have faith in God. Where we are going, he said, I am going to prepare a place for you, and when I return you go there with me. And in my Father's house there are many mansions. So where we are all going to, there are mansions, there are cars, everything you need is already available. Everything we have here on earth is vanity upon vanity, but we still need it for our daily life and for our daily activities to make life more easier for us. So if you are new on my channel, please do well to like, share and subscribe. Drop your comment below. Thank you very much for your time.